John, this is Brittany. I promised to give you a short and sweet video with some tips and tricks on how to get more customers and increase your online presence. You're probably asking why I'm doing this. So recently I've discovered that small business owners are so busy running their own business and taking care of their own customers. They don't have the time to learn how to get more customers, and the only thing that is stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. So some people will choose to take this information and do it themselves, and then some people will connect with me. And either way is great with me. This is just to educate you and help you out with a simple attack plan. So first, I wanted to quickly cover your Google business profile. So you guys have some good things here. You got 8 Google reviews, you have 3 photos, you've got your business hours, which is really important, your phone number, and I think that's it. So you definitely want to optimize your Google business profile. First, you want to add in a great description, which usually shows up here. And in your description, you want to use keywords that you want to rank for and kind of make it conversational. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your description, you can place those keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. The best keywords are buyer intent, which means that they're location and service specific. So for example, if you do floor installation, a good one would be floor installation, Floyd County, Georgia, or flooring contractor, Floyd County, Georgia, just as an example. So you want those in your description there. So in addition to that, you want to add a lot more photos so people can see your work, your beautiful work there. Maybe a cover photo, the areas you serve in here, maybe when your company was founded, that'd also be a good one. Any videos that you guys have of your work, and even reviews, more reviews. You definitely want reviews that mention products and services that lend to the optimization of your Google business profile, and this also increases your credibility with people looking for your services. So you also want to do a lot of these same things with your Facebook profile as well. And on your Facebook profile, I clicked on your website, PROFLOORS.com, and it came up with this error. I'm not sure if you guys actually are hosting anything, or if you guys even have a website, or if there's a domain error. So that can be one of those 3 things there. But I went ahead and I typed in a good buyer intent keyword in the Google search here, flooring contractor in Floyd County, Georgia. And the first thing that popped up is a Google map pack. Now 30% of people will choose one of these top 3 businesses here for their services. Not shown are Google ads, which usually pop up here at the top, but there's also always some at the bottom. And 5 to 10% of people will click on one of these to do their business. Now, below the Google Map pack is the organic search results. And I was looking for a local service. A lot of these that first came up are directories. So I actually had to go to the second page to find the first organic search result for this keyword that I typed in here. And the first one that comes up is Ackworth Hardwood Flooring. So I went ahead and I brought up their website here, and I wanted to show you what they were doing to get some traffic in. So this is Ackworth Flooring, and looking at their website, it's a really pretty website, extremely visually beautiful. However, Google doesn't care how pretty a website is. They definitely need some more content here. If you do get a website, I recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed, because content is king to Google, as it gives you more authority and helps you guys rank, especially with lots of good buyer intent keywords throughout that. So that was content that I quickly went over for a website. And the next thing I want to go over are backlinks. So here is a page program I like to use called Ahrefs, where I like to research and put in websites here to evaluate them and how they're doing. So first I want to go over these 2 ratings here for them. So the DR rating is a power rating and UR rating is a trust rating. And Google gives you these ratings. And both of these ratings are raised by something called backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others pointing to you. So it's kind of like a popularity contest. So Ackworth Hardwood Flooring, one of your competitors in the area, they have 107 referring domains pointing to 537 backlinks. Now it is worth noting though that the best backlinks are those that are relevant to your industry and services. and that are also local to your area. So we briefly went over content that you can have on your website, throughout your website with those buyer intent keywords. And with that, you definitely want to have lots of good quality backlinks for that, so you guys can rank on Google with the website. And like I said, you want to have some great quality keywords there. So currently, one of your competitors, like Heart of Flooring, has 17 organic keywords that they're ranking for, and you definitely want some of those as well. So I briefly went over content and backlinks and optimizing your Google business profile. Last thing I want to go over are citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile, like you have here. And citations help you guys rank in the map pack as well, which is really important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. And citations include directories like Yelp, Angie Expertise, Better Business Bureau, and hundreds of others that you may have heard of, but the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, and once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you rank above them. So quick recap, you definitely want to optimize your Google business profile here and do some of the same things with your Facebook profile, adding more content throughout everything, adding more services, adding more photos, videos that you have, relevant content to your industry throughout both of those. If you do get a website, you definitely want to do some of the things I mentioned, get a lot of that content throughout. Definitely want to have that 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page with a lot of those buyer intent keywords, and throughout your website as well with every page, and getting a lot of those backlinks as well, and increasing the citations you have so that you are more known throughout Google, which raises your authority. So I hope this was helpful. I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence to get more customers in the door. That way you guys can get some more revenue and help your business out. So thank you for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful, and I'd appreciate any feedback you have. I hope you have a good day.